Nyũmba ya Gĩkũyũ na Mũmbi ndamwĩra mũka itwaranirie maigaga cia mũciĩ ti comu no ici rĩ nĩ ciarega mĩtheko tiga itwarie na twarie siasa citũ cia gĩcigo kĩa Mount Kenya. Nĩ mũĩ hatĩ thaa ici kwĩna mbara nene mũno kĩrĩma-inĩ na kwĩna mbara ya ũnene wa Mount Kenya. Nĩ mũĩ DP Rigathĩ Gachagua nĩohĩga torĩa ndĩraigire ira rĩ atĩ kĩrimũ kĩohĩga ũrĩa mũgĩ arĩ thĩna-inĩ. Gachagua amechangamka, nĩamenya kĩrĩa andũ ma Mount Kenya marabatara, nĩamenya hatĩ ũnene wake ta kingpin wa Mount Kenya ũrĩ hatĩka-inĩ. Nĩkĩo mũndũ ũyũ ambia kuorganize raia a Mount Kenya amwe na anene a Mount Kenya kũnyitanĩra na kwaria na mũgambo ũmwe. Nake gavana wa Kirinyaga Anne Mũmbi wa Igũrũ nĩaugĩte atĩrĩrĩ, ciaca cia kĩrĩma rĩ nĩ cia kũgayania bũrũri witũ wa Kenya. Igai ndĩmũrie, kaĩ kĩrĩma kĩanyitana nĩ bũrũri watuĩka nĩ wa kũgayanĩka? Wacheni tuongee kama watu wako na akili. Nĩtũĩ ithuothe rĩ, thirikari ya UDA nĩ thirikari ĩtĩkwenda kũmenya kĩrĩa mũkenya wa kawaida arabatara, na itirĩ na any idea ya kĩrĩa ithuĩ ta Kenya tũrabatara. Nĩkĩo mareka kĩrĩa mareka, nĩkĩo mararehe divisive politics, nĩkĩo tũtuĩke ithuĩ tũtirelewa ũrĩa magũthiĩ na mbere gũtuĩka. Tũkiranĩrie tweterere tũninwo. Nĩkĩo niĩ ndaiga atĩrĩrĩ, nĩngwaria na mwĩtĩkĩre njarie. Anne Waigũrũ amewekwa kwa mfuko na President William Ruto. Anne Waigũrũ amegundua ya kwamba karia yake ya siasa inakwenda kufa. Anne Waigũrũ ni msaliti. Mũthikĩrĩrie gĩtũmi kĩa niĩ njuge ũũ. Nĩ mũĩ Anne Waigũrũ nĩ mũtumia mũgĩ mũno ĩgĩkinya nĩ politics cia kĩrĩma. Tondũ Anne Waigũrũ arĩ na scandal nene mũno ĩrĩa ya mwandamaga rĩrĩa etagia gĩtĩ kĩa gavana wa Kirinyaga first time. Arĩ na scandal ya NYS, scandal ĩrĩa yarĩ nene mũno thirikari-inĩ ya Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta. Na hau Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta nĩarũgamire na mũtumia ũyũ. Nĩguo atuĩkire Anne Waigũrũ ona ũngĩkorwo nĩ kĩkana kĩgĩkĩka, Anne Waigũrũ akupoteza political mileage yake katika serikali ya Jubilee. Uhuru nĩarũgamire na mũtumia ũyũ anene mũno. Lakini Anne Waigũrũ agĩtuĩka atĩ we nĩona mbere na akĩgarũrũka agĩtuĩka nĩ wa kũsupport President William Ruto kĩrĩ siasa cia mwaka wa 2022 arĩa President Uhuru Kenyatta atwĩrire tũrũgame na Raila Amolo Odinga. Gĩtũmi kĩa ndauga njarie ũmũthĩ rĩ nĩ atĩ ndĩragundua Anne Waigũrũ araiga atĩrĩrĩ, mlima siasa ambazo Gachagua anaendeleza katika eneo la Mlima Kenya ni siasa za kugawanya Jamhuri ya Kenya. Siasa za kugawana Jamhuri ya Kenya ni siasa zinazohusisha Wakikuyu, lakini zikifanywa katika bonde la Ufa, zikifanywa in the western side, in the western province, azigawanywi wa Kenya. Ndio nauliza, Waluya wakiungana, Musalia Mudavadi, Moses Wetangula, George Natembeya na wengineo wanaungana, wanaonyesha jinsi ambavyo wanakwenda katika barabara moja. Wengine kutokea bonde la Ufa, magavana na maseneta pamoja na viongozi waliostaafu katika siasa wakishikana kule. Siasa hizi hazigawanyi nchi. Wajaluo kule Nyanza province wakishikana, siasa hizi hazigawanyi nchi. Lakini Wakikuyu wakishikana, waunganishe Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Kikuyu na Embu, ndio zinakuwa ni siasa za kugawanya mlima. Anne Waigũrũ, karia yako ya politics ni ya kinyamuthia. Ũthikĩrĩrie na ũthikĩrĩrie wega. Kira tũkwĩra ithuĩ tondũ nĩ tũĩ atĩ hĩno nĩyo second term ya gavana Anne Waigũrũ wa Kirinyaga, na nĩararealize atĩrĩ akĩaga kwambia bara yake na DP Rigathĩ Gachagua ana future in the politics. The elective positions za Anne Waigũrũ rĩ ndũkiuma gwĩtia gĩtĩ kĩa gavana ũthiĩ ũgĩtie senator kana MP. tondu we Anne Waiguru athiete kunina 2 terms ciake ta governor iria niyo maximum time ya governor gutuika munene kiri constitution ya Kenya. Anne anasema ya kwamba mlima unagawanywa na Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. Lakini swali ni je, ni mlima unagawanywa ama nyinyi mmegundua ya kwamba huyu mlimuona mpumbavu na mkampa kazi ya kupigana na Rais Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, kwa sasa amekuwa mjanja? Anne Waiguru is a betrayer of Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Todo Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ri arugamire na mutumia uyu riria mutumia uyu kwatuikaga ati gutire mundu urarugama nake. Aradekire ira akiuga in 2007 we were in the same situation as we are now. Ndirakuria Anne Waiguru kae utumagira kiongo giaku gwika ki? Nito wewe muthaka no tukiuge atiriri kuthakara tikuo kugia kiri. Ni mwajigua. The reason I'm saying this ni ati nimerealize Anne Waiguru posted and said in 2007 we were in the same situation as we are now. And as a leader from Mount Kenya, I cannot allow our people to be misled into separating themselves from the rest of Kenyans. That is why we are emphasizing that hatutaki siasa za ukabila. We want a unified nation and to bring development to our people. Akamtag William Ruto, Council of Governors, Kenya County Assembly of Kirinyaga. Traiga atiriri, Anne tiga gutukua wana. Anne tiga gutukua ke? Gutukuga wana. Tondu we Anne Waiguru, wewe supporter wa Ndindi Nyoro. Ona ugikorwo nduri supporter wa Ndindi Nyoro ri, we ni urenda nafasi kiri thirikari ya William Ruto mwaka wa 2027. Ni urenda gutuika na position. Tiga ngwire, William Ruto akienda gutuika hati ni one president term, ni athi na mbere ya gucangura we utuike representative wake ta deputy president wa bururi witu wa Kenya. Tiga ngwire, ithue kiri mari tuga yes nitutite atumia itu muno, nake mutumia kimwe gitio muno ri ni abatarete onake aikare thi haicirie ta mutumia, tondu nyumba irugamagio ni mutumia. Neno itu ri nituhete atumia itu gitio, nikio twina mutumia ta Alice Wahome ari CS na aingĩ aria mari thirikari-inĩ wa President William Ruto. Lakini mwache Gachagua pange mlima Kenya. Tiga inde muria andu aitu, kai Gachagua makenyitanira na President William Ruto ri, ahasa makenyitanira na Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta ri, nio twambia gutuika na divisive politics in the Mount Kenya region? Hapana, tuache kubebwa upumbavu. Anne Waiguru, wewe na Ndindi Nyoro pamoja na Kimani Ichung'wah nituwe mibango yanyu ri murenda guikia Rigathi wa Gachagua nja wa thirikari ya President William Ruto, na nituwe President William Ruto na aramu support muno, nikio mwaheire Rigathi Gachagua wira wa kurwa na njohi. Mwagira wira ungi mukihe deputy president, mukimuhe wira wa kurwa na njohi. Mawira maria mothe mafata mwafatira ite kuhe deputy president witu mukihe Musalia Mudavadi. Atutaki upumbavu. Yes, si yeti tulimpenda Gachagua, lakini Gachagua tugaga mundu aho ya mwera ri ndoraga guo. Mtu akiomba msamaha uwawe. He made a mistake. Nituwe ona ithu tutiramwendete riria arugamaga karuma President Uhuru wa Kenyatta, nake ni aratwirire atiriri inywe ninywe mwamutumire mukimwira atiriri thie hurume President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta, tondu ni muoe ni kirimo, nake kirimo ndiramwirire atiriri nikio higa. Bara ya Anne Waiguru na deputy president Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ati Anne Waiguru ni realize ambitions cia deputy president witu ri ni ciratuika nene muno, ati mundu uyu ri no gutuikia ati ni agucangurwo ari president wa Kenya mwaka wa 2032. Riu murenda kubanga ati Ndindi Nyoro gutuike ni ugakuwa gite kiu. Tiga inde mwire, na ni ndamwirire ringi, President William Ruto ri aregire gucangura kana kuhe Ndindi Nyoro giti ta CS kiri thirikari wake, tondu nioe ati muthenya umwe ni akubatara muthuri ucio, ni akubatara mwanake ucio atuike ati ni akurugama na ni akurepresent the whole country at large. Our deputy representatives, and if wakati munatupiga munataka hata yeye atupige, ameamua hapana, mimi najua watu wetu. Alituambia yule ambaye ameoa ndadako, usikae ukimtukana kila kukicha, usikae ukimpiga vita kila kukicha, maana siku moja utamuhitaji, na yeye ndiye ambaye anaweza kulipia wanao shule, yeye ndiye ambaye anaweza kuwapeleka mahali ambapo mnatakiwa kuwa, so tuache kuwa wapumbavu. Akasema yeye alitumika kumpiga vita Rais Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta 2022 katika siasa. Ndirenda guthoma one post iri irandikirwo ni Pauline Njoroge, na ndirenda muthikiririe na muthikiririe wega miario ino ya Pauline Njoroge. It gave me an insight on what is happening in the Mount Kenya region. Pauline Njoroge agikara akiandika atiriri ati, from the conversation I've followed and read, Uhuru Kenyatta owns the knife and the arm. Mount Kenya is waiting for his word. If a day comes when him and Rigathi Gachagua are seen to be reading from the same page, or there is an indication that he has forgiven the DP, it will be a very, very defining moment for the region. That is true. That is very true. That is very what? Very true. Amutige DP. Mundu ta Pauline Njoroge alikuwa a very big critic wa deputy president wetu Rigathi wa Gachagua, lakini yeye ndiye anaandika nitaendelea kusoma. There is another post amesema, today I woke up thinking about many things. But the most important one was remembering the pain I felt seeing the people of Mount Kenya hate on Uhuru Kenyatta because they had been taught to do so. A lot of toxicity was showed in the region, and many wanted Uhuru Kenyatta punished and sent back to Ichaweri for reasons they themselves could not explain. Then I have read the post of a few fellows who are celebrating the disrespect being shown to DP Rigathi Gachagua, saying how he needs to be punished because of these or the other. How long will this cycle continue? Are we going to keep hating on our senior most leaders one after the other and celebrating as they get punished without realizing that it is a bigger strategy to strike the head so that the sheep scatter? I, as Pauline Njoroge, in my small way, will choose to break the cycle of hatred and bring down our leaders. I will not celebrate as Rigathi Gachagua is demeaned and disrespected. We will differ as far as the policies of the government he serves are concerned. But when he is attacked and disrespected by some characters in the same government, that is the point at which I will draw the line and stand by his side. Niedaiga gwaria na go support Rigathi wa Gachagua. Nye ndiendete mundu ucio, ndamwendire, sikuwa napenda huyo mtu, mimi sijawahi mpenda mimi Rigathi wa Gachagua, lakini mnanipa a reason to love this man, mnanipa a reason to defend this man. Stop hating on our leaders. Stop hating on our kingpins. Stop hating on the people that stand for us, people that fight for us, people that represent us in the bigger picture. Idwe taye koyore drama uriane kotodiete kai totionaga kai. When will we learn from our mistakes? We are so messed up right now. Our businesses are being destroyed, but instead of calling out this man to go and represent us and supporting him in the best way we know how, turamwira atiriri ni athiaga kome. Stop celebrating the downfall of Rigathi Gachagua. Tufaterete gukorwo tukirugama na muthuri. Tunajua saa hii ndio finance bill ya 2024 inasimama, ndio inaongelewa, lakini instead of us being given a reason to fight where we should be uniting and calling out the president because of his malicious 2024 finance bill, we are attacking our own deputy president. tutige gukorwo tugiciria ta irimo ndaigane gwaria siasa na moje tikire jaria Gavana Anne Waiguru, we funga virago enda nyumbani 2027 ikifika. Kama uwezi muunga mkono Deputy President Rigathi wa Gachagua, najua mnamchukia maana he was a one-time MP who became the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Nobody has ever done that. This guy broke the cycle of politics in this country. Then you want to disrespect him for that? No, we ain't going to buy that. Amta tutumia hivi pumbavu kijinga jinsi ambavyo mnafikiria. There is where I put a full stop to this. Ni reda kuigwa uria we tamo Kenya. Wewe kama mwananchi wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. What is your maoni? What is your opinion? How ke comment section ito. Nego thoma comments ya kuna nego reply hiri ya drafatara. Thank you. Subscribe.